Thank you, Sabrina. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is a really great pleasure and an honor for me to be here with you and share some ideas, discuss about opportunities that artificial intelligence is offering nowadays, thanks to the advancement of the algorithms and to the availability of more powerful computation architectural support to advance biometrics for many different applications areas. In particular, you may know that biometrics is a set of techniques which allow to identify individuals and activities on the individuals based on physiological traits as well as behavioral traits. And this allow in particular, these methodologies allow in particular to perform the recognition of the individuals so that we can actually understand if an individual is exactly what he or she claims to be, and this is the traditional verification authentication, where we have an individual who is showing his identity, but is an identity card, for example, but we need to understand if exactly that individual is what the card is stating. And we can do it by using the face, the fingerprint, other biometric traits, so that we can be as sure as possible that such an individual is exactly what he claims to be. Or we can have an individual who is actually presenting his biometry or her biometries to the system, and we need to understand who this individual is. And in this case, we have the traditional recognition identification of the people in looking to the representation of the biometric traits in the database of several biometric traits, even millions of biometric traits. Another opportunity that we have, especially in the area of security, is to consider the behavior of the individuals and use this information to understand if the individual is going to do something which may be critical from the point of view of the security. For example, I can look how the person is moving around in the room, and if he or she may be suspicious, and as a consequence, this may trigger the attention of the personnel responsible for the physical security of the area. On the other side, we can consider, for example, gesture and motion or other additional